So hello everyone, we are architecture department from UNES, and today we are Simpang Lima, but not on Simpang Lima, near Simpang Lima, especially on Indonesia Kaya Park. And first of all, introduce myself. My name is Vigoro Karisma Purnama, and
My name Amelia Putri, Kalita Tahira.
Hi, Saribudin Gadowo. I'm Andres Triana Amir.
and one of my friends is cannot attend because of sick. Today we are gonna presentation about that building on the Taman Indonesia Kaya Park. Huh?
You forgot?
Oh yeah, I forgot the name. The name is Dina whatever. I forgot too. So we are gonna presentation about that building on a back. So maybe focus on the structure. So because it's in the major, we are on a structure focus. Like on the back is maybe using a space frame. I don't know, but maybe take a look on the back the Indonesia Kaya Park building. Let's go.
Taman Indonesia Kaya is introduced as a cultural facility with its main function as a space for performing arts and cultural events. The design of the building is made to support creativity and cultural expression through various performances. The space is open and flexible, allowing it to adapt to different kinds of events such as music, dance, theater, or community gathering. With its large capacity, the building can accommodate many visitors, making it not only for a performance venue, but also a cultural meeting point for the community.
So we are on a close look of Indonesia Taman building, like Taman Indonesian Kaya Park. We are not using English properly, right?
Yes.
So in the back of that is a truss structure. Apa? Space frame structure.
It is many variety.
Yeah. For pipe like hollow 20 and 40, I guess.
Yeah.
So the apa? The atap, the roof is using animal panel. If not I forget.
So it's not too
light.
No, it's not too
Heavy.
heavy.
Yeah, too heavy to under the roof, right?
It's just still.
Yeah. Look at that, my friend. All of this is using making video and using presentation about space frame structure. Yeah, look at that, my friend.
Wide span roofs are a type of roof that has a span or distance between two supporting points without columns or pillars in the middle with a span usually more than 12 meters. This roof is designed to create a spacious and flexible internal space without barrier of columns in the middle of the room. This is often used in buildings such as factories, halls, aircraft hangars, large stores, and sports arenas. The main function of wide span roofs is similar to that of regular roofs, which is to protect the building from the weather, provide sound and thermal insulation, with the advantage of being able to support large roofs while providing the wide open space underneath. Wide span roofs are usually made from materials such as steel, wood, reinforced concrete, or aluminum alloy, with structure that can be formed of beams, arch, cables, or a combination of several spaces for optimal strength and stability. Wide-span roofs have various important benefits that make them an ideal choice for building with large space and high-capacity units. The main benefit of wide-span roof is their ability to create a spacious and flexible internal space without supporting columns in the middle, this allowing for maximum utilization of the area for activities such as sports areas, factories, warehouse, or public space. In addition, this roof provides effective protection against weather such as rain and heat, as well as offering good sound and thermal insulation. Another benefit of wide-span roofs is that they enhance the aesthetic value of the building, especially in complex buildings that are made to stand out and be unique compared to other buildings. Wide-span roofs can also serve as a protector for the area around the building, providing shade from sunlight and rain. The structure of wide-span roofs that use strong materials such as steel provides strength, resistance to extreme weather, corrosion, and longevity, making this construction reliable and efficient. With a design without a central column, substructure cost and construction time can also be significantly reduced.
So the name of building on my back is Panggung Budaya. Look at it, man. Yeah, it's Panggung Budaya. So we know that the space frame structure on Indonesian Kaya Park is a name called building called is Taman Budaya on the back like that. The park is the whole thing on this side, and the space frame structure using on the Taman Budaya is a structure called space frame like that, man. Okay?
Okay. That's information.
Yeah, that's information. The name of the building is Taman Budaya on Indonesian Kaya Park.
Technical explanation of structure. Space truss or plane frame, or more popularly known as space frame, is a construction system that uses two main components, namely rods, tube connected at both ends with nodes or ball joint. The configuration of this component is made based on the structural and architectural design planned by the consultant. The space frame structure at Taman Indonesia Kaya Semarang is a three-dimensional frame composed of interconnected rods forming a rigid and stable geometric pattern. The space frames function as an open stage roof in the park. The space frame structure has advantage in the term of strength and efficient load distribution, allowing it to withstand force from various directions, especially for wide spans without needing many supporting columns. The system uses a special joint called a marrow joint, where hollow steel rods are connected through nodes in the form pressed steel plates with bolt connection, making the frame easy to assemble and disassemble. The space frame structure at Taman Indonesia Kaya is designed to support the needs of public open space, function as a venue for art and cultural performance. It's an open and artistic frame shape not only provides structural strength, but also an attractive and modern aesthetic to the park. The material is sturdy yet lightweight steel coated with enamel panels for the roof, thus providing protection from the weather while remaining light and easy to install. The overall design of this space frame also adapts to zoning in the park and the needs of community activities, creating a space that is comfortable yet functional. Advantages of the structural system. The advantages of the space frame structural system at Taman Indonesia Kaya Semarang include providing high rigidity even though the structure is lightweight. The space frame system consists of a composition of rods and that are interconnected in three dimensions, allowing the load transfer mechanism to work optimally on the axial elements. This makes the material use maximal utilized. In addition, space frames are usually produced in a mass and prefabricated, making the transportation and assembly process in the field easier and at relatively lower cost. The shape of the space frame structure is also very flexible, allow for a beautiful architectural design and varied layout suitable for the meeting functional need of public open space like Taman Indonesia Kaya. This system also minimizes the use of columns, so that activities in the main area of the park are not disrupted, supporting the comfort of public space user. All these advantages make the space frame an effective and aesthetic structural solution for this park.
Okay guys, now behind me is a roof of
Taman Budaya.
Taman Budaya. There is stage. So the roof is made of enamel panel, and then the enamel panel is connected to the hollow, and the hollow is connected to the steel blah 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 blah. Yeah.
On the like that, we can using meshing of panel is uniform. Uniform is so flexible on the uniform like that, man. So we can doing a art, cell or something on the your mind, you can build everything with this structure and panel of the roofing of this Taman Budaya. I forgot the name, right?
Yeah.
On the Indonesian Kaya Park, right? Okay.
The roof of this building shows a close relationship between function and aesthetic. From a functional side, it works as a shelter that protects visitors from the sun and rain, making the space comfortable to use for various activities. From an aesthetic side, the roof has a modern and iconic form that makes the building stand out and easily recognized. This design is not only beautiful to look at, but it also gives the place a strong identity. The combination of practicality and visual uniqueness support the image of Taman Indonesia Kaya in Semarang as a culture center. With this modern look, the roof represents innovation while at the same time becoming a symbol that strengthens pride in Indonesian culture.
From the explanation above, we can take a key points as a conclusion, such as wide-span roofs are a type roof that has a span or distance between two supporting points without columns or pillars in the middle, with a span usually more than 12 meters. This roof is designed to create a spacious and flexible internal space without the barrier of columns in the middle of the roof. Space truss or outer plane frame are more popularly known as a space frame. It is a construction system that uses two main components, namely rod or tubes connected at both ends with node or ball joint. The space frame structure at Taman Indonesia Kaya Semarang is three-dimensional frame composed of interconnected rods forming a rigid and stable geometric pattern. This space frame functions as open stage roof in the park. The space frame structure has advantage in terms of strength and efficient load, allowing it to withstand forces from various directions, especially for wide spans without needing many supporting columns. Okay guys, thank you for watching our visit on Indonesia Kaya Park. See you on the next visit.